Hi again, my name is Andre John and welcome to Play Drums the easy way. Now, when choosing drumsticks, all right, very important. Sometimes as a beginner, all right, when I train my students, I normally tell them to use a lighter pair of sticks, maybe like a 2A or so, a 5A, all right. You will see that actually on the stick. It will actually tell you the grade of the stick. All right, so, and for persons who are more advanced, you use like a 2B or a higher quality or a higher grade stick. The other thing you want to do when choosing your drumsticks is you find a flat surface. So if you go to a store and you're actually purchasing drumsticks, get a flat surface and you roll the stick on the surface. If it's wobbly, all right, and it's wobbling while it's going, that's not a good pair of sticks, all right, to buy, right? So this one is wobbling, okay? What you want is a stick that goes across the surface in a smooth, nice way, very smooth and nice, okay? So when choosing a stick, again, you look at, as a beginner, you look at a lighter pair of sticks, maybe a 2A or a 5A, all right? Or if you are a more advanced player, then you can look at, a 2B, all right, and a stick that is heavier. So I want to also encourage you that don't just try to jump on the drums and just try to, just play. There are some foundations in playing drums that you need to understand, all right? And so I want to take you through some of those quick rudiments, okay? And that would be your hand exercises. There are some things you can do for hand exercises. You can hold the stick out like this and you can swing it left to right, and you can do probably about 20 or 30 of that. You can switch hands and you can actually do the same thing. Keep going, for a period of time. That way you're loosening your wrist, you're loosening your arm and stuff like that. Now I'm going to give you a challenge. Okay, so for this one, you're going to hold the stick in your palm of your hands like this, and you're going to bring one hand in, other hand in, and then push them out. Okay, this is just some wrist exercises. You start with the right, then you go to the left, and you can do simply like that. Or you can bring them both in to your chest, lift your hands, and you can push them out. So those are some wrist exercises for you. So let's go over them again. Hold the stick, okay, by the tip, and you can swing it. All right, there's some hand exercises. Okay, do the same thing with the right. All right, you can do it forward, you can do it to the side. All right, but you keep on going. And the next one is you take this, and all right, you just do that. I want to also encourage you, you understand, to practice at least 10 to 15 minutes a day doing your single stroke. All right, right, left, 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 right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, also practice your double stroke roll. Right, right, left, left, 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 right, right, left, right, right, left, 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 left. And also practice what is called your paradiddle. Paradiddle is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, single stroke, double stroke, and paradiddle. So I want you to continue with those exercises, all right, 10 to 15 minutes a day, all right, and you keep doing that. You don't stop. That way you're going to loosen your wrist when you go on the drums to actually play your rolls. Everything is going to be a lot easier for you, all right? If you don't have a practice pad, you don't have a table like this, just get a hardcover book, all right? And you just practice. Right? You can put on a song, and while the song is playing, you just keep going. So a song may last at least 3 to 5 minutes. So that's 5 minutes of hand exercises. You play 3 songs, that's 12 to 15 minutes of hand exercises. And you keep on going, right? Keep on going. Don't stop, don't stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Yeah. So again, thank you, all right, for viewing. I hope you're going to take these few pointers so you can become a better drummer, all right, as you move on your drumming journey. So again, like, subscribe, check the links in the description. All right, thank you very much.